Okay, it's Fatin here. So tadi kita dah tengok few snippets about the Autocross event. So saya nak menceritakan tentang pengalaman saya join first time in my life to join such event. Saya tak pernah join apa-apa event kereta macam drag race ke, drift race ke, drift classes ke, all those classes ke, race ke, I tak pernah join. Tak pernah turun padang pun actually, melainkan macam showroom-showroom kereta, launch kereta-kereta punya launch events lah. I kadang-kadang pergi sebab minat. So what is Autocross Event? So Autocross Event ni adalah acara yang di mana organizer akan organize di tempat yang sangat luas, such as parking lot. So the other day was in my apps, and we know my apps memang banyak parking space yang besar-besar. Apa yang berlaku waktu Autocross Event tu? So first, bila you datang, you sampai, you register, and then bila you register, ya akan dapat briefing. So after briefing, you akan go for crosswalk. Okay, so what's gonna happen during the competition itself tu? You actually akan lalu few cones, few obstacles atau gate of cones yang tu akan dirancang oleh organizer itself lah. You kena hafal and memorize the courses, and tak ada orang, tak ada co-driver sitting next to you untuk guide you. So itu yang buat I cuak lah. I dijemput, diajak untuk join event ni sebab Ivan kata dengan I macam, alah just test je, try it out. You never know, you will like it and eventually you akan be a better driver. So I say okay lah, join lah. And I suka the community, is very welcoming. Diorang semua tak lokek ilmu lah, share some tips. One of the tips yang I dapat is the course map tu you actually tampal dekat dashboard. Tapi to be honest, when you are driving, you tak ada masa pun nak tengok map tu. That's why it is very important for you to memorize the map. Next few seconds later, I akan tunjukkan crosswalk tu macam mana. So, okay, check it out.
This is the chill area. So kat sini kita lepak-lepak, lunch, to rest, and some of the guys actually brought their own tents. Event SOP tetap kita jaga. Holding area ni tempat kita semua tunggu untuk ambil turn. Tapi kita akan line up dari sini lah untuk ke starting line. In front here is Bernard and Ivan. Ivan is actually bringing us to walk the course. So he's guiding us to know the course exactly lah. We are walking around course B. Bezanya course B dengan course A, course B ni panjang sikit, about plus 2-3 seconds on average. Reason why kita kena walk the course is kita kena memorize, and by walking we actually simulate how we drive. So this is the time you know when to accelerate, when to brake, which gate to masuk, bila nak corner. So yeah, it's very important. When we are busy driving, memang kita tak ada masa langsung untuk tengok map.
Okay, during that day, I met some new friends, macam Bernard, Jeff, Eric, Sean, Kahwai, and few others. So the next few seconds ni, I actually put a video of me driving and also Jeff driving. Tapi definitely lah Jeff menang. I slow sikit because in terms of slowing down, there's one tips actually. Tak semestinya you drive laju, you cepat or your masa singkat. When I realised during my second run, I actually drive faster. And when I drive faster, I actually macam not spun out, tapi macam that turn I need to take it very wide. But when I drive slower, I actually when I do the turn, actually really right at the cone. So I actually shaved 4 seconds. Okay, tak ada cakap banyak. Let's watch how Jeff and I drive. Okay, Jeff memang terror lah, tapi kita tengok aje.
3, 2, 1, go!
kaki kan. Setiap kali masukkan kaki dalam Honda S2000 ni memang kalau boleh tak nak keluar kereta ni. So I can share with you the feeling or the thrill you naik Honda S2000 that was driven by Ivan himself, the owner of that car. And he is the champion of the day, the champion of the autocross event. Okay, check it out.
Okay, so this is Ivan. So Ivan will be driving his car, S2000, and we are going for a fun demonstration ride on the autocross course.
That's how you do.
So that's why it's so busy.
Yeah, you don't even
Have time to think.
All in all, my key takeaway of this event is actually you know how your car behaves. You know how to handle your car in case if emergency happen. You know what's the limit of your car. How, because during that time you actually test the braking power, you test the